1,2,3,4,5,6,7,8,9,10 Count it on your fingers, go 10 little numbers, now you know 1, 1, a single stick 2, 2, a chopstick pair 3, 3, the magic number 4 or 4, for both are there 1, 2, 3, 4, go Clap it, count it, here we go Go 5, a happy high five 6, 6, roll the dice 7 or 7, lucky 7 8, 8, a buzzing bee Nice, Q 9, it sounds like Q 10, we made it through 4 and 7 have 2 names each 4 and 7, the safer speech 1, 2, 3, 4, go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on